Solve this system of equations using the substitution method. With the substitution method of solving a system of equations, you solve for one of the variables in one of the equations and substitute that variable into the second equation. When using this method, start by identifying the expressions with a coefficient of 1. In this case, there aren't any coefficients of 1. So now look for coefficients that divide out easily. In this equation, all the coefficients are even, and we have an even number here, so let's solve for y. We get 2y equals 14, and we add 4x to both sides, so we get plus 4x. We divide both sides by 2 to get y is equal to 7 plus 2x. So we use this expression for y and plug it into this equation to solve for x. So we have 2x plus 3 times the expression 7 plus 2x equals 5. 2x plus, and we distribute the 3, 21 plus 6x equals 5. Combine the x terms, and we get 8x plus 21 equals 5. We subtract 21 from both sides of the equation to get 8x equals negative 16. Now we divide both sides by 8 to get x equals negative 2. We take this value of x equals negative 2 and plug it into one of the equations to solve for y. So we get 2 times negative 2 plus 3y equals 5. Negative 4 plus 3y equals 5. We add 4 to both sides of the equation to get 3y equals 9. We divide both sides by 3 and get y equals 3. So the solution to this system is x equals negative 2 and y equals 3.